I wonder what kind of despair awaits you this time. Huh? Are those the only options? Like bludgeoning or stabbing? Feeling cheap? Try strangulation. Feeling lazy? Try poisoning. Who'll be chosen as the blackened? Will you make the right choice or the dreadfully wrong one? I'm so sorry. Really, I am. You have my deepest sympathies. See you later!
What was that for? And by the way, I might be the ultimate detective, but I'm in training.
I've still got a ways to go, too. I ended up getting you involved with me.
Gonta is gentleman. Gentlemen not hurt people.
There is no need to thank me. Your happiness is the reason I serve.
Hey there. Guess I don't have to introduce myself, huh?
So, fight for the truth. Even if it is frightening. I don't want this killing game to end with despair. That would just piss me off.
People you trust to defend will ultimately betray you. This is a game of suspicion.
Even if the world has ended and humanity has gone extinct, I can't give up.
I can't let you all rely on my magic. Besides, I don't have enough MP left.
I could start throwing down some real fancy techno jargon, but you idiots wouldn't get it.
If you know something, please speak up. It could be the key to solving this mystery.